This is a smartwatch that I received as a gift. It's called KG07. It's kind of a generic smartwatch. So I'll show you how to use it. It can be a bit tricky if you have never used this kind of a smartwatch before. So to start it, you just keep pressing it here. Shows you hello, it's starting up. Shows you time. You tap here. Shows you next apps. I'll come back again from start because it skipped that one. So for example, it starts from here, then this is your steps and calories, then your heart rate, then your blood pressure, sleep quality, find phone, watch, and for example, you to use voice to do using uh, if you know this and it comes out. That you want to check the heart rate. So it press there it didn't work. Can take a little while. Let's see. Yeah, here it can be a bit fiddly, but you can see the heart rate. It is monitoring the heart rate right now, and you can see that it is going up. So this is how you use each app. You just have to keep it depressed there. Now blood pressure, same thing. If I keep it pressed like this, again it will take a while. Let's see what it does. Yeah. So there you go. And then sleep quality, I think it will just capture that if you're wearing it. And then if you want to find phone, this is to be used with the app that it has. And if you want to turn it off, you come here and keep it pressed here. So in order to sync the time, let's suppose the battery went down, you charge it up and the time was out, you have to install an app called Band. I'll demo that app at the end of this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Thanks. So this is the app called Band, and you can see that it is capturing all the information that the smartwatch has. So for example, sleep, sport. Right now, of course, I don't have any data at the moment. It's not capturing right now, but it has a lot of good features. Like you can see that it can send you the alerts if the blood pressure is higher, and you know, so this it has captured this blood pressure 2250, and it is reporting back to this app. um what you can do is you can go to devices, you can set the message notification. I have done WhatsApp and it can do a lot of other things, send notifications to you on the watch if any of the notification received on these apps. And then You have to pair a device. It can do sedentary reminder to you as well if you are not moving for, I don't know, between some time. And then it has health settings. It can detect all of these things: blood pressure, heart rate, dial settings. You can dial numbers, um, blood pressure private mode so that it doesn't, you know, send it to the. I think private means it doesn't save it on the cloud. Shake to take photo. Okay, so this allows this app to take photos. You shake it, shake the phone. It has countdown timer. Um, and other than that, it can have record this workout as well. So if you do that, location data, and then it will start recording it. So these kind of things it has. It's asking you which map to use. Other than that, in the device settings, you can check the firmware, do factory reset. You can add your information here. What is your steps goal? All these kind of information, permissions. So yeah, it's quite good. Keeps a record of stuff. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.